As a busy mom, it's really important to me to have lots and lots of places where I can put my trash, whether it's in my bedroom like this or somewhere else. I'm really loving this Joy Bose mini trash can. Definitely one of the best features is the lid. All I have to do is push it and it releases, push it back down and it stays. Plus I can easily just take this off if I want to get it all the way off, just like that. Super easy. I love its cute little rainbow button too. Then when I'm ready to go ahead and change it, all I have to do is take this out and then replace it. One thing I love is that this garbage can did come with its own trash bags. Makes it super simple for me, but your standard grocery bag will also fit in there as well. One other quick thing is they actually also included another mechanism here that helps to make sure that the popping feature on the top, if anything should happen to that, there is an extra one included in there. So I really love that feature. And when we're ready to replace the bag, super easy, goes over the side like that, top back on, ready to put trash in there. I love it because it closes, it comes with its own bag and fits perfectly in between my bed and side table. Highly recommend if you're looking for a similar solution.